The compressor is the heart of your American Standard AC unit, responsible for circulating refrigerant to cool your home. If it's not starting, you won't get any cool air. Common reasons include electrical issues, capacitor failure, low refrigerant levels, a tripped overload switch, thermostat problems, or mechanical wear, especially in older units. We'll explore each of these in detail and provide troubleshooting steps in the following sections. First, ensure your AC unit is receiving power. Check the circuit breaker and reset it if tripped. Use a multimeter to verify the voltage at the unit, which should be around 208 to 240 volts for most models. Inspect wiring for damage or loose connections. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity, call a qualified electrician. Remember to always disconnect power before inspecting any internal components. The capacitor provides the initial jolt to start the compressor. A faulty capacitor is a frequent cause of compressor failure. Look for bulging, leaking, or other signs of damage. Use a capacitor tester to check its capacitance, measured in microfarads. A reading significantly below the rated value indicates a failing capacitor needing replacement. These capacitors are relatively inexpensive and DIY friendly, but handle with care as they can hold a charge. Low refrigerant levels can prevent the compressor from starting as a safety measure. If you suspect a leak, you'll need a manifold gauge set to check the refrigerant pressure. Diagnosing and repairing refrigerant leaks requires specialized equipment and EPA certification due to environmental regulations on refrigerants like HCFCs. It's best to consult a qualified HVAC technician for refrigerant-related issues. Ensure your thermostat is set correctly to cool mode and the temperature is lower than the room temperature. A faulty thermostat can prevent the compressor from receiving the signal to start. The compressor also has an overload protector that can trip if it overheats. This will automatically reset after a cool down period. Try turning the unit off, waiting 30 minutes, and then turning it back on to see if it restarts. In American Standard AC units that are over 10 years old, mechanical wear from constant operation can lead to significant issues. The compressor, being the heart of the system, experiences wear on its internal components, like bearings and rotors, over time. When mechanical wear progresses, it can cause the compressor's rotor to become locked or seized. This means the motor runs, but the internal mechanical parts won't turn. You'll hear a humming sound from the unit, but the compressor itself doesn't start circulating refrigerant. The wear typically affects internal components, such as bearings and the rotor shaft. Over years of operation, these parts accumulate dust, lose lubrication, or suffer from metal fatigue. This degradation prevents the rotor from spinning freely when the motor tries to start. Unfortunately, once a locked rotor occurs, the compressor is typically beyond simple repair. The damage from wear is often too extensive, requiring complete compressor replacement. This is a major repair that can cost $500 to $1,000 or more. Given the age of the unit and the cost of compressor replacement, it's often more cost-effective to replace the entire outdoor AC unit. Newer models offer better efficiency, reliability, and warranty coverage, making this a practical long-term solution. Simple fixes like checking the breaker, replacing a capacitor, or adjusting the thermostat can often be done yourself with basic tools and safety precautions. However, issues involving refrigerant handling, electrical work beyond basic checks, or suspected mechanical failure require qualified HVAC technicians. Attempting complex repairs without proper knowledge and equipment can lead to safety hazards like electrical shock or refrigerant exposure and may void your warranty. HVAC technology is advancing rapidly. Newer American Standard models feature energy-efficient inverter-driven compressors and smart diagnostics for predictive maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent future compressor problems. Clean coils regularly to remove dust and debris, and change air filters every 1 to 3 months. Consider upgrading to a smart thermostat for improved control and early detection of potential issues. Keep in mind that failure rates increase drastically after 15 years, so consider replacing your unit entirely.